Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can tell from the title, today I'm doing knotless braids. So I wanted to show you guys how I do my own hair. I always do my own hair. I just prefer it. It's easy and I could switch it up whenever I want. So yeah, so I wanted to just show you guys how I do knotless braids on myself. This is not a tutorial, you guys. So I already washed, dip condition. I will link my wash routine because it's the same process. Only thing that's different is if I run out of something, of course I'll be using something else, but it's the same steps. So right now it's just drying under here. So I'm gonna be using this Design Essentials avocado and almond and avocado curling cream. It smells so good. It smells so good. So I'm almost done with it, so I might probably use something else if I finish. So I'm gonna be using that. You could use anything, of course, but this is what I'm currently using. And my Old Faithful BlueMagic, love the way it smells. Almost done as well, but I'm not gonna be done with this hairstyle. But yeah, so those are the only two things I'm gonna be using. And then the hair, so you can find this I think at any beauty supply store, your local beauty supply store. This is by the brand Made Beauty. So it comes in it's like a 6-pack, but as you can see I only have 3.5 left. So that's what I'm going to be using. There's always usually part in the middle. I'm not going to take this one out. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist the side up. I'm going to just focus on this section back here. So I already pre-section the pieces that I need because this is I'm gonna turn this into 3 parts. So I already have the hair pre-section of what I'm going to use. Okay you guys, so I am back. Today's Monday, so it's 2 days later, but it didn't take me that long to do my hair. I did finish my hair the same night, which was Saturday night, but my battery ended up dying, so I didn't feel like changing the battery. So I was like, whatever. I did finish my hair Saturday night, and I did end up going to the hair store and I bought some beads to add. I was debating if I should add the beads or not because I did like them without the beads, but I decided to add the beads. You can definitely buy some from Amazon, but this was faster for me. Yeah, so I really do like them. The only thing is that like I mentioned earlier, I just wish like I kept the same thickness, but I mean, you know, with pre-stretch hair, when you're braiding it, it does get skinnier as it gets longer. But yeah, I mean, over time I'm pretty sure, you know, the more I do this type of hairstyle, I'll be able to like make them the same thickness throughout. But I do like them. I've gotten a lot of compliments the past 2 days. Yeah, I like them a lot. Again, I usually do mini knotless braids, but I didn't have time for that, so I really like this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do this one more because it's faster, you know, easier. But yeah, so let me show you guys how long they are. They are pretty long. I am going to the gym, so hold on. Okay, so this is how long they are. I'm on my tippy toe, so this is how long And then when I'm not on my tippy toe, they basically, like, you know, by this area right here, that's where they reach. And then when they're all in the back, some of them, they're not the same length, so some of them are like down to my butt and so on. Hopefully you guys saw that. I really like them, you guys. I think they're super cute. Again, it was really quick and easy for me to do. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. In my edges, yeah, I usually just leave my edges how they are. Edge control really don't work for me, and again, like I mentioned, I have very thin edges. I try not to be in them too much. I like to play in my edges, which is not good. I don't know what it is, but it kind of like soothes and calms me down, so I try not to do that. But I usually just brush them and leave them alone, especially since I'm going to the gym. I usually just tie something and keep it in, call it a day. So yeah, so thank you so much, you guys, for coming back to my channel and watching another one. You guys know I definitely appreciate it. Bye.